Hello everyone, I'm Kanchana, working in SS College of Engineering as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry. In this video now I'm going to say about a case study, gas chromatography. Gas chromatography, it is process of separating components from given crude drug by using gaseous mobile phase. It involves a sample being vaporized and injected onto head of the chromatographic column. The sample is transported through the column by the flow of inert gaseous mobile phase. Column itself contains a liquid stationary phase which is absorbed onto the surface of an inert solid. Instrumentation of gas chromatography. Two major types, gas solid chromatography and gas liquid chromatography. Here the mobile phase is gas while the stationary phase is solid, used for separation of low molecular gases. For example, air components, hydrogen sulfide and CS2 and carbon dioxide, rare gases and carbon monoxide and oxides of nitrogen. And gas liquid chromatography, the mobile phase is gas while the stationary phase is a liquid retained on the surface as an inert solid by adsorption or chemical bonding. The principle of separation is as GC is a partition. The mixture of component to be separated is converted to vapor and mixed with gaseous mobile phase. The component which is more soluble in the stationary phase travels lower and eluted later. The component which is less soluble in stationary phase travels faster and eluted out first. No two components has same partition coefficient conditions, so the components are separated according to their partition coefficient. Partition coefficient is the ratio of solubility of substance distributed between two immiscible liquid at a constant temperature. Instrumentation, carrier gas, helium, common gas, nitrogen, hydrogen, organ, sample injection port, micro syringe, columns, detectors, thermal conductivity detectors, and electron capture detector, flame ionization detector, flame photometric detector. Carrier gas, the cylinder gas tank is fitted with a pressure controller to control the pressure of gas, a pressure gauge that indicates that pressure, a molecular sieve to transfer filtered dry gas, and flow regulator to ensure constant rate flow of mobile phase to the column. It should meet the following criteria: should be chemically inert, cheap and readily available, and high quality, not cause of any fire accident, should give best possible results. Hydrogen, helium, nitrogen and carbon dioxide are commonly used. Hydrogen gas low density and better thermal conductivity, however it reacts with unsaturated compounds. And it's inflammable and explosive in nature. Nitrogen is inexpensive but it gives reduced sensitivity. Its most preferred gas, inlet pressure ranges from 10 to 50 psi. Flow rate 20 to 150 ml per minute for packed columns and 2 to 25 ml minute for open tubular column. Sampling unit or injection port is attached to the column head since the sample should be in vaporized state, and the injection port is provided with an oven that helps to maintain its temperature about 20 to 50 degrees Celsius above the boiling point of the sample. Gaseous samples may be introduced by use of gas tight hypodermic needle of zero 0.5 to 10 ml capacity. For liquid samples, micro syringe of 0.1 to 100 microliter and capacity may be used. Columns are a different shape size, includes U-tube or colloid helix types. Support material commonly used glass beads and porous polymers. Types of columns, packed columns and capillary columns. Detector. Detector then produces electrical signals proportional to the concentration components of solutes. The signals are amplified and recorded as peaks intervals on the chromatograph. Detector. Working. Sample components now get distributed between the gas, stationary, liquid phase depending upon their solubilizing tendencies. The components with minimal solubility move faster, those with maximum solubility travels slowly. The components leaving the column activate detector and recorder to give plot. Retention time defined as absolute time taken by sample to show maximum peak after injecting. Thank you.